Hello guys, this is me again. It's January 4th, 2021 and day 3 at Munnar, and we are off to, what's the name of that lake?
Lakham Lake.
Lakham Lake.
Waterfall.
Lakham waterfall, and we are stopped at a point in the middle and look at the view. Beautiful. The beauty of this
English
cannot be captured by this camera. It can be felt, and the actual beauty can be felt and seen when you be here. And Bhuvnesh, my friend, is trying to say something.
I would like to add that we have a word for the letters very beautiful, and the word is exquisite. But we need a new word to define this place for very exquisite. And this place is just awesome, and we don't have any camera in present time to capture the beauty of this place. And I think everyone has the capacity to travel in India. Sorry for the interruption. Must include Kerala in their list, and Munnar must be on the top list.
Let me show you our faces.
Bhuvnesh, say hi.
Guys, this is today is January 4th, 2021, and I am at the Lakham Waterfalls in Munnar. This waterfall, before this waterfall, the view was breathtaking. This waterfall is equally breathtaking. I wish I would have brought some spare undergarments to go bathing in water, just like these guys over there. These guys over there are doing. But anyway, let me tell you, I am feeling little bit cold as well because of this atmosphere. I don't know how the people are managing it, but I'm not. I'm very afraid of losing my hoodie and going into that waterfall. There's so many things to see in Munnar itself. There are 4 directions one can go in. This is our second direction, and I think 2 or 3 places also we are gonna go after this. I wish I could stay here forever. Just enjoy this beautiful video. Let me show you another angle. Hello guys, this place is Marayur Sandalwood Forest. Now it's a jungle, it's a forest, and they say that one can find deer, tigers, bison, elephant, and if you're able to see, if my camera can show you, you can see deers over there, right? Actually, it rained today, so we are not able to see much deers, but we are lucky enough to spot 3 or 4. We'll consider ourselves extremely lucky if we get to see a tiger in this. Our driver said that this forest division is very important for Kerala. And just look at this tree is sandalwood tree, those which have some tags like this one, these are sandalwood trees. Not all of them are sandalwood, but few of them are, and it's amazing. This forest is really amazing. And some more deers over there. My camera is not so powerful enough to capture the beauty of what I am experiencing in Kerala, and of what I am experiencing right now. But this must be enough cue for you that why one should always visit Kerala in their lifetime.